I use this lens as my trusty sidekick. For weddings or hikes, it's always slick. In low light, it's like a sorcerer's charm, turning dark pictures into a fire alarm. It's lighter than my coffee cup, fits in my grip, feels so smooth like a pancake flip. Autofocus, faster than a caffeinated squirrel. Locks on so quick, it could outrun a whirl. Zoom and focus ring, oh, they are so fine. Like a buttered biscuit, easy to align. Blue spectrum optics, goodbye color drama. This lens is so sharp, it will make you say, Mama! This lens is a board, like chocolate and cake. So awesome, it deserves a victory shake. Screwing on filters, easy as pie. Even your dog could do it. Give it a try. Lens hoods, like a knight's shiny shield. Protecting the front lens, like a sword in the field. I pair it with my EF to RF adapter. On my EOS R5, this combo is a rafter.